Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we are out at Midwest Banger After Party at Hawkeye Downs in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Yesterday, I was honored to be able to do a drift demo for the race that they were having here this weekend, which is really, really sick. Today's the actual event, so I think there's about 50 cars out here. This GS300, this thing's freaking hard. Slammed out, sick ass wheels, check it out. This thing's sick, dude. Thanks, man. I like it. Super sick. That little G35 action. All right. Well, I got the car warmed up. Cameras are ready. Let's go freaking check out the track. We gotta check out the homie's car real quick. All right, so this is the guy, he's helped me a ton.
It's kind of a pile. We've seen some stuff.
It's nice to finally meet you in person too, dude. All right. Aaron just like swapping something prettier, I guess, if that's what you want.
Pretty much. I need to paint my intercooler piping.
Dude, so I was out in Washington with my buddy that has a 2JZ. Like, I have a Z and I want drift mine so badly now. I keep, like, all my friends that I'm meeting across the US, they all have 6 Zs.
Dude, they work. Then untape the FX cage. It's kind of ugly.
You guys are not gonna believe it. What are you doing here? This is crazy. That's so sick.
Yeah, dude, it works.
This thing is sick. Well, you got Instagram and YouTube, any of that stuff?
Drifthouse85 on Instagram. Yeah, Instagram. Drifthouse85.
Thanks for showing me the car, dude. We'll get some more driving in. We got another really cool car. This thing's clean, dude. I like it. So what do you got under the hood on this thing?
It's just a 5.7 off one out of a Camaro.
Sick. Oh yeah. Dude, hell yeah. This is like a nice, like, functional low too. Like, it looks good, super drivable, but like still low. Like, it looks sick. Tucking a little tire. Hell yeah. I like the handbrake install too. That's nice. You got Instagram or any of that?
Yeah, and this muscle 240.
Sick. Thanks for showing me the car, bro. Video? Hell yeah.
That's
He's in the way.
I was hoping the guys coming out too.
Hell yeah.
That's my, that's 5th gear.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the grippy rears on, but then I just noticed on the fronts, same on both of them. just locked up on the bank. It's so wild.
A lot of boring math later.
All right, what a pain in the butt. Those front tires suck. So we got fresh fronts on, and then we got the 295 rears. Fueled up. Should be freaking ready to rock, so it's gonna be fast now.
Just a little bit
Good
of
as new. When did it come off? Did you transition close on me or something?
I think so. I think I clipped your back bumper maybe with it. I think I got your tire right there.
Hell yeah. Good driving, bro.
Thanks, man.
That was too fun.
That was.
All right, you guys should be used to this by now, but when I see a Miata, I video it. It's simple as that. So what's up with this thing? Tell me about it a little bit.
It's just a turbo 1.6 Miata, makes about 230 at 13 pounds of boost.
Is this thing shred or what?
Sometimes when it runs right.
I know, he's having a little bit of a rough day today.
A full custom fab,
this is sick.
Full custom fab exhaust tip, Kirkland fab out here in
Dude, that's gangster.
Cedar Rapids. He did that for me.
I love it.
Dude, you point and go.
That's so sick.
Point and go.
I love it.
I love it, man. It's like really the first car I like got into driving, and this thing eats.
Dude, it's so small.
It's like, dude, sit in it, because like, it literally doesn't even feel that small. Like, it's really not that bad.
Aaron, I'm not gonna lie, he has more room than you. I swear. I don't know what. Maybe it's because of the roof. My editor has a roof on his, so I don't know if that makes it feel like more closed in.
Skeleton top.
What is this, dude? This is so cool.
Oh yeah, dude, this is my custom window.
Yes. Hey, you got Instagram or YouTube or any of that shit?
Check me out on Instagram. That's clutch_up_cam. And then you can check me on Facebook, Cameron Klinghagen.
Hell yeah. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, I'm getting a ride along now. Oh, dude, this is a vibe in the convertible. Oh my gosh. Turbo that I showed you guys earlier, so gotta grab a ride along in this thing. So the air filter's right there. That sounds so cool. Holy shit.
That's 14 PSI on those 285s.
Dude, oh my god, that sounds so sick. Thank you, bro. That was like ripping, dude. All right, now we're getting to ride with this dude. LS S13. Look at the. Hey, you got a check engine light, dude.
I thought about getting another spec seat over there, but everybody seems to like that.
It's so comfortable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, check out this video, and become a YouTube member. Hit that join button. Peace.